Model, 2016 Renault Master Business Front-Wheel Drive, LL35 DCI-125 Luton Low Loader Box Van needs turbo no VAT bargain. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 161926. MOT, the 30th of January 2025. Engine, 2298 CCM 90-125 E5E. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs but it is underpowered, the turbo needs replacing, the engine starts and sounds perfect. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, cruise control, electric windows, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.